Hello children, today we are going to see EVS lesson number 1 Super Senses part 2. Let us summarize which all animals have the super sense of smell. The first animal that we studied was ant, the second is dog and the next is mosquito. Now children, now let's see page number 4. In what ways do human beings make use of this special sense of smell of dogs? Answer: we can use dogs to catch thieves, to find stolen things, or to find the hidden bombs. Next, when do you find your sense of smell helpful to you? List some examples like to know by its smell that food has gone bad or that something is burning. Answer: we can recognize the smell of flowers, perfumes, tasty food, incense stick, licking gas in the kitchen, roasting papad, etc. Next, name the animals that you would be recognized only by their smell without seeing them. We can recognize cow, fish, dog, etc. by their smell of body without seeing them. Now children, write the name of 5 things whose smell you like and 5 things whose smell you do not like. So I have this question, you have to do it on your own, but I am telling what I the name of the things, the smell of the things that I like is perfume, soap, shampoo, incense stick, flowers, Dettol. And the 5 things whose smell I don't like are garbage, cow dung, phenol, leaking gas in the kitchen, urine, rotten food. Okay children? Now we are going to study about the story. Why so? Today Rajni had to go out for some important work. She had to leave her 6 months old son Deepak with her sister Sushila. Sushila also has a baby of the same age. Now in this picture we see a lady, her name is Sushila auntie. Now what happened? Sushila auntie's sister has to go out for some work. So she left her son Deepak, who is 6 months old, to Sushila auntie for taking care. It was funny that both the babies did potty at the same time. She happily cleaned her daughter, but when she was cleaning her sister's son Deepak, she covered her nose with her dupatta. Why did she do so? Now think and discuss. Sushila covered her nose when she cleaned Deepak's nappy, but not when she cleaned her daughter. Why do you think she did this? Now, if we discuss children, now when we feel something dirty, we find it smell bad. Sushila felt Deepak's nappy is dirty, so she had to cover her nose while cleaning. Whereas when she cleaned her daughter's nappy, she did not feel it being dirty because she was used to for cleaning her own daughter's nappy, but she was cleaning Deepak's nappy for the first time. Now next children, how did you feel when you walk near a heap of garbage? Think of the children who spent the whole day picking things from such garbage. Discussion: we feel very bad when we walk near the heap of garbage, but the children who spend the whole day picking things from such garbage are used to for that smell. Is the smell good or bad for everyone in the same way, or does it depend on how each one feels about it? Smell depends upon how people think about it, but some smells are always bad for most of the people. Now we are going to study the super sense of sight. Firstly, we are going to see the position of eyes on the head of some birds. Firstly, children, write the name of bird which has eyes in front of its head like in humans. Yes, owl. Write the name of some birds which have eyes on either side of the head. Answer is hen, pigeons, crow, eagle. These birds have eyes on the either side of their head. They can see with their left eye the things on the left side, and with their right eye they can see the things on right side. It means at the same time they can see in two different directions. Now children, most of the birds have their eyes on either side of the head. Their eyes can focus on two different things at the same time. When they look straight ahead, both their eyes focus on the same object. You must have seen that some birds move their neck very often. Do you know why? You must have wondered why they do so. In most of the birds, eyes are fixed, cannot move. So, birds have to turn their heads to see around. Now, children, you must have seen hen, pigeon, and crow. They are moving their neck very often. Why? Because their eyes are fixed. Means as we human beings can move our eyeball left, right, up and down, these birds are not able to move their eyes, and they have to turn their heads to see the things. Some birds are able to see things from far away, like kites, eagles, vultures. They can see 4 times as far as we can. These birds can see things clearly from a distance of 8 meters. This super sense of sight helps bird to find their food. Similarly, tigers, tigers and lions also have super sense of sight. They hunt their prey. Prey means the animal they are going to hunt for their food in night when it is very dark. Similarly, rabbit can find their food at night when it is very dark. So isn't their sense of sight super? Now, next topic is, do animals see colors? Animals cannot see as many colors as we can. See how things in this picture will be seen by some animals. It is believed that animals that are awake in the daytime can see some colors, but those animals that are awake at night can see things only in black and white colors. So children, today we are going to complete it here, and in next part we will start from page number 8. Till then, goodbye.